Registering for My Canada Life at Work takes just a few minutes. Go to mycanadalifeatwork.com and click Register. Then, select Benefits to manage your health and dental plan. Enter your plan and member numbers you received from your plan administrator. Then, choose Next. Now, enter your first and last name as they appear in your enrollment package. Next, you'll add your personal email address and a password you'll always use to sign in. We'll email you to make sure we got it right. After you confirm, you can sign in and complete your account setup. So we can verify your identity, enter a few more of your personal details. Then, click Next. Here, you can let us know if we can use your social insurance number for our records. You can also stay connected with us about ways to use your group plan and improve your physical and mental well-being. Finally, to keep your account extra safe, you can use two-step verification. If you do, we'll send you a 5-digit code every time you sign in or change your password. That's it! Now you're ready to use My Canada Life at Work for your benefits plan. Go to mycanadalifeatwork.com to get started.